Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
Away Millionaire, welcome to another live stream. Hope you guys are good and ready for NFP. Let's get straight to business. Okay, so today is 5th of Jan 2024, and as you can see, we've got NFP happening today. High impact news on CAD. We've got employment change, unemployment rate, and USD. Obviously, we've got NFP, average hourly earnings, and unemployment rate. So we're going to analyze our USD and CAD currency pairs, looking for our supply and demand levels so we can obviously trade NFP coming up later this afternoon like smart traders. So straight to business, guys. Let's not mess around. First currency pair we're going to look at. And by the way, if you can hear me, put a 1 in the chat. I just want to make sure everything is sorted here. Put a 1 in the chat if you can hear me. Other than that, we'll get straight to business. So first currency pair I'm going to start with is Aussie dollar, AUDUSD. So go to the 4-hour time frame here, and we want to start analyzing our supply and demand levels. So starting on the 4-hour chart, looking for possible supply levels. So we've got high volume spike over here, giving us a potential level here. Could be a supply. We'll get to that later. But then our potential demand level, we do have something happening here on 14th of December, and then another potential level here on December 13. So these are potential demand levels and then potential level of supply over here and potentially something over here. Okay, so that's 4-hour time frame. Let's head over to the 15-minute time frame. Right, starting with the demand level over here. So as we can see, price has, if you have a look here, already broken through this level of demand on, actually we'll see over here. Okay, so December 14, we have a level over here. So what we'll do is identify the level over there. Okay. Okay, so there's the first potential level of demand on the 14th of December. Then clearly, if we look at December 13, we've got a level over here, demand level, and we've got another level over here. These are the two I'll focus on. We do have another level down here. So what we'll do is, so there's the first level, demand number 2 and then another demand over there. This one on the 14th of December we'll have a look at just now. So that is our demand levels, 13 December, 14 December. Now, if we now start looking at our supply level, okay, so our supply demand level clue, we've got a potential level over here on the 4th of Jan where price pushed down with high volume. So that is another level of supply there. So that is our supply level. Okay, first level of supply, January 4th, and then we did have another potential supply level over here, which is pretty much same level over there. Another high volume spike over here, which is pretty much not applicable anymore. So that is our first level of supply. And then while we add it, let's look at another potential supply level clue there. So we did have high volume spike over there. Then our next potential level of supply, we've got another high volume spike over here on January the 2nd. So these are our potential supply level number 2 and supply level number 3. Again, we're using our Forex volume indicator at the bottom here to show us where these potential supply levels are. Okay, we use high volume to help us to identify high probability interest levels that the banks are focusing on. So there's supply over here, and then obviously another supply over there. So that's our next level of supply if price obviously potentially breaks through that level here. So as we can see, this first level of demand that we drew, this was the one from the 14th of December. Okay, we can see price is currently testing this level over there. Okay, so what we have over here in terms of analysis right now, and again guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a chat over there so I know exactly where you guys are at. Okay, so we've got price currently testing this demand level number 1 over here. So in terms of our analysis, okay, actually let's do this. So in terms of our analysis, let's change this to another color so it's not confusing, because this is actually a little bit confusing here. So we'll make this one pink. Okay, so pretty simple over here. Price is currently testing our demand level. So if price continues to consolidate at this level, okay, then we'll wait for potential opportunities over here. Okay, price continues to consolidate at this level over here, we'll wait for potential buying opportunities here. So obviously then what we'll wait for is we'll wait for price to give us entry confirmation, obviously before the news is released. Then we'll look to buy over here. Then obviously if price breaks and continues to move down over here, so we've got price continuing to move down, then what we'll look for obviously is for price to come test our second level of demand over here. Then we'll look for potential buying opportunities over there. Okay, now obviously we can see price is consolidating over here. We also can have a setup where price actually pushes up and tests this supply level, and then we can potentially look for selling opportunities over there. But for now, since price is consolidating at the demand level, we'll look for potential buying opportunities. Again guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a chat over there. Okay, Next currency pair we'll focus on over here is EURUSD. So EURUSD, again starting on the 4-hour time frame, potential level of supply. So we've got a potential level over here, possible supply level, and then in terms of demand, since we're on the 4-hour time frame here, we'll be looking at demand will potentially be somewhere here on December 13. We'll actually look at this level over here. If not, we'll go to this level over here. Okay. Cool. M15. Start with this one over here on December 18. If we have any potential level here, that price is testing at the moment. So we do have a high volume spike here. So got a level over there. We do have another level here, high volume spike, and another level here, which is pretty much like a demand zone. Now if we look at what price is currently doing over there, okay, we can see some action over there. So we'll focus on the next level of demand, which will be so we've got a level here, December 13, another level here, December 13, and actually I see another high volume spike over there, which is actually another potential clue. So on December 14. Okay, so there's the first level, another level here, and another level over there. Okay. Yeah, and then supply. So this is January 4th. We've got a high volume spike here, where price pushed down with high volume over there. And obviously we can see this supply over there. We want to look for potential other supply clues if price continues to push up from this level. Now if we look at our supply clues over here, the next level of supply would potentially be here on the 2nd of Jan. So we've got a level here, January 2nd, and another level over there. So high volume spike over here, and another high volume spike over there. So that's supply number 2, and then supply number 3, where price pushed down high volume. So obviously we can see we've got our demand 1, 2, 3, 4 here, like a demand zone happening here. So obviously we can see price is testing this demand zone over here. So what we want to do here is obviously look for potential buying opportunities here. So we'll be looking to buy here since price is testing the demand level over here on EURUSD. So buying is the course of the day today on EURUSD. Okay. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a chat here. Okay, please guide gold. We will do that. We're going to go through all the USD pairs as well as all the CAD pairs for NFP coming up later this afternoon. Right, GBPUSD is the next one we're going to be looking at. GBPUSD. Okay, let's go. Potential level of supply over here, where price is pushing down with high volume. And then if we look for demand level, we've got another potential level of demand over here. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. We'll start with the demand level. So I've got price pushing up over here with a high level, high volume spike. So this will be demand level. Then as we can see over here, price did come and test this level the next day with high volume. So this is again another potential level, which is actually exactly at the same level where price pushed up with high volume. And then obviously you've got another high volume spike over here, which is another potential demand level clue over here where price pushed up with high volume. Okay, so this is on January 2nd. Okay, now that is demand. If we look at supply now, okay, we've got a high volume spike over here. Price is consolidating at this level. So it's not really clear whether it's a supply or a demand level since price hasn't pushed up or down significantly. So we can't use this level as a supply level. So we need to look for the next level of supply. So I'm just going to go back to the 4-hour time frame here. Then it looks like December 29th is the next most recent level of supply, potential supply that we can look at. So we head over to that point, December 29th. Okay, so December 29, got a high level, we've got a high volume spike over here where price pushed down with high volume. So that's obviously going to be our supply level over there. And as you can see, price did come back and test this level with a high volume spike over here that you can see. So this will be like our supply zone over here. So pretty simple. So we have price did push up off the supply level over here, the demand level. At this point over here, we had price pushing up off the demand level. Okay, came all the way up, did not test the supply level over here. Okay, barely missed it. And as you can see, price is coming back down over here. So basically what I'm going to be looking for obviously is for price to come back for high probability setup is for price to come back and test this level of demand over here. Then we can look for potential buying opportunities over here on GBPUSD. So right over here, look to buy on GBPUSD. Next one we'll have a look at is NZDUSD. So starting on the 4-hour time frame, so we can identify possible supply and demand levels. So we've got a level over here, then we've got another level over here that we can look at, and then demand. We've got a level here and another level over there. Okay, so we'll go to the 4-hour time frame, to the 15-minute time frame, starting with our demand setups. So demand number 1. Okay. We did have a level over here. So, okay. Right. That is demand number 1. Then if we go over here, look at demand number 2. Got a high volume spike over here, December 15th, and another one over here. So got this one over here, and this one here, that price already broke, so this one is no longer relevant. So we'll delete that one. That's demand number 1, and demand number 2, December 15 and December 18. Now let's go look at the supply over here. We have high volume spike over here with price pushed down with high volume. So that will be supply number 1. Then supply number 2. Another high volume spike over here where price pushed down with high volume is going to be supply number 2. Okay, so obviously looking at the analysis here, we've got price testing our demand level over here, demand number 1. Okay, price is consolidating at this level, so we're going to be looking for potential buying opportunities at demand level number 1 over here. Okay, so that's going to be where we're going to look to buy on NZDUSD. And obviously, since price is consolidating, we still have quite a bit of time. If price does actually push up from this level before the news and actually test the supply level over here, then obviously we'll look to sell over here. But since price is currently testing the demand level, this is going to be our indication to start looking for buying opportunities. Okay. Next is going to be USDCAD. So USDCAD, starting on the 4-hour time frame, we have a potential level over here. It could be a potential demand level. Okay, next level of demand, we'll have a look at this level over here. Okay, and then supply. We'll have a look at this one, and then we'll have a look at this one as well. Okay, M15. starting with supply. So as you can see, high volume spike up here. We have another one down here, but as we can see, price has obviously broken that level, so that level is no longer relevant. Then if we go to here, okay, so that's supply number one. And if we look at supply number two, the next potential level is this one over here, where price pushed down with high volume. So that's going to be supply number 2, December 18, supply number 1, December 19. Okay. Then we're going to go to most recent price action now. We're going to look at the demand. So January 4th. Okay. We had a high volume spike over here where price pushed up with high volume over here. Okay, so that's demand number 1. Then demand number 2, January 3rd, we have a high volume spike over here. Okay, but as you can see, price actually pushed down from this level, so this is not a clear level of demand. So if we go back to the 4-hour time frame and look for another potential clue, the next demand will be this one over here, January 2nd. Okay. So going back to January 2nd, that's going to be the next levels here that we have for demand number 2. So got a high volume spike up here and a high volume spike over there. Okay, so there and over here, which is pretty much the same level. Okay. So obviously what we can see over here on USDCAD is got price testing the supply level over there. So we will be looking to sell. Pretty simple. Okay, testing supply number 1, so we'll be looking to sell at this point over here. Okay, now since price is testing that level at the moment, what we can wait for is obviously we'll wait for the most recent factor high for a potential stop loss level over there. But yeah, that is USDCAD. USDCHF for our time frame. Got a potential level of demand over here. Another potential level over here that we must look at, and then potential supply over there, another potential supply over there. 15-minute time frame. So starting over here, okay, so we've got a high volume spike over here and over here. So that will be supply number 1. Okay, supply number 2. And if we look at December 22nd, okay, we did have levels over here that price actually broke through. So this is no longer relevant level of supply. So the next potential supply will actually be over here on the 21st of December. So December 21st, got high volume spike here and here actually. So okay, so that's the next supply levels. Right. Now looking at demand, starting on the 4th of Jan. Okay. Okay, we've got no concrete level up here, so I'm going to delete this one. Then if we go to January 3rd, okay, we actually have a level over here, high volume spike, where price actually pushed down with high volume. And we have another level over here where price pushed down with high volume. So this is actually a supply level. So this is a supply, not actual demand. Okay. Then we've got this level here that, as we can see, price is broken. So this level is no longer relevant. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, we need to be looking for our most recent demand. So the next high volume spike where price pushed up is actually this level over here on December 2nd. So we will have a look at this level as a level of demand. So December 2nd. Okay, high volume spike here where price pushed up with high volume. And then we actually have another level over here where price pushed up with high volume. So this over here is going to be demand number 1. And this will be demand level number 2. So, okay, so we have here what's currently happening at the moment. Price is currently testing our supply level on USDCHF. So the clear setup for now is going to be looking for selling opportunities over here. Now, because we've got a level of supply number 1 here and supply number 2 in terms of stop loss level, I'll actually be looking to place it right around above this level over here. Okay, so that is USDCHF. Now USDJPY. Right, USDJPY starting on the 4-hour time frame. We've got a potential possible demand level over here on the 3rd of Jan. And then if we look at supply, we've got a potential level over here, December 14. Then another level over there, December 12th, USDJPY. So M15. Starting with supply number 1. Okay, so we can see high volume spike here, but price has already broken this level, so not interested there. Next level of supply is this level over there, and another high volume spike over here. So okay, got a level there. then another level over there. Then if we go to December 12th, we have this level over here, where as we can see, here's already this level over here, so this is no longer relevant. What I can do is look for another potential supply level, which we have over here on December 11th. We've got a high volume spike over here, where price actually pushed down from there. So that'll be our next level of supply. Now going back to the demand level, if we look at December 3rd over here. Okay, so December 3rd, got a high volume spike over there, as well as another high volume spike over there. Okay, so that will be a level of demand over here and another level of demand over there. Now if we look at potential demand level clues, January the 4th, we've got a high volume spike over here. Yeah, this one over here. So this will be a demand level clue, okay, potential demand level clue. Right, so obviously what we have at the moment is we've got price currently testing the supply level. So obviously what we want to be looking for is potential selling opportunities. Okay, we've got our supply level over here, price is currently testing. So we want to look for potential selling opportunities at our supply level. So boom, we're going to be looking to sell here. Okay, pretty simple. USDJPY. Now, next one we'll have a look at is EURCAD. Okay, since we do have, again guys, we do have news on USD as well as CAD, so we're expecting high volatile moves on USD pairs as well as CAD pairs. So that's why we're also analyzing CAD pairs as well. So EURCAD. Potential supply level here. Potential demand level over there. Another potential supply over there. And actually another potential demand level down here. Yeah, that's 4-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. Starting with the demand level here. So January 3rd, got a high volume spike over here, as you can clearly see, where price pushed up with high volume. We actually do have another level over here where price pushed up with high volume as well, January 3rd. So it's the first level. Another level here is pretty much exactly in the same spot. Then if we look at demand number 2, okay, don't have anything solid over there, so delete that. Then we actually have January 29th, high volume spike here. This is where price pushed down with high volume. Okay, but as we can see, price, yeah, did test that level, so we do have to add that one in. So there we go, supply over there. Then, oh no, my bad, it's this level over here, that price My mistake. So this level is no longer relevant since price did break through that level. So we need to look for the next level of supply. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, the next potential supply level, we'll have a look here at the 28th. If not, it's actually going to be December 14th. So let's go back over there. December 28th. Okay. Okay, not very clear here on December 28th. So not this level here since price did break that level. Yeah, nothing concrete here, so we'll delete that one and then we'll go back to the next level, which is December 14th. Sort of here. So what we have here, okay, again, got a high volume spike here, high volume spike there. Again, not really clear, so I'm gonna go back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, again, we want high volume spikes. The price pushed down with high volume, which we don't have any clues at the moment. So next level we'll look at is November 30th. Okay, let's go to November 30th. Here we go. So November 30th, got a high volume spike here, here, and over there. These are our levels, and then we've got another clue over here, December 1. So we'll start with December 1. Okay. Then November 30 over there, and over there, which is the same level. So now if we zoom out, there we go. This will be our level of supply that we'll focus on. Okay. Now M15. Okay, so we did draw our demand levels already. Okay, so this one is pretty clear. Oh wait, got another level here, potential level to look at. So high volume spike, high volume spike. Okay, there we go. So this is actually our supply level clue over here. The price did push down with high volume. So that's actually what we're going to be looking at as our first level of supply. Then we've got price testing our demand level here with high volume. So that's actually another demand clue over there. Okay, so clearly what we can see is we have price came and tested our supply level over here and is pushing down to come and test the demand level. So obviously what we want to be looking for are buying opportunities from the demand level up to the supply level. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on at the moment, since price is coming off the demand level. So we want to be buying from the demand level up to the supply level. Now obviously if price continues to push up over here before the news and come and test the supply level, then obviously what we'll look for over there is selling opportunities at the supply level. But for now, it's a buy on EURCAD. Okay, so We do have a question over here from our boost cars over here, and the 15th December demand. Okay, please clarify this question. I'm not too sure what you're talking about there, so please make it more specific so I can answer your question there. But anyway, this is EURCAD. Okay, next GBPCAD. Start on the 4-hour time frame. So you've got a potential level over here. Not too sure yet what that could be. So next level of demand will be this one over here, and then supply will be over here, December 19th. Okay. So that's for our time frame, 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Right. December 19. High volume spike over there and over there, where price pushed down with high volume, as well as over there. So okay, so that is our supply zone, where price pushed down with high volume. Pretty clear. Actually see another high volume spike over here, where price pushed down with high volume here. So there's a clear supply level over there. Not too sure what happened. I think price did. Okay, so that is December 20. Price pushed down with high volume. That is our supply level. Okay, perfect. Now if we go to look for demand here, so December 4th, looking at our potential clues, we had a high volume spike over here. Price did kind of push up with high volume here, so got a clue over here and a clue here. The price pushed up with high volume, so that is a demand level clue, and this clue over here as well, this one. So we had price push up over here with high volume, so that is our demand clues over there. Then got another one here and another one over there where price pushed up with high volume, so over there and over here. Okay, so clearly, as we can see, price pushed down from our supply level here, tested our demand level, pushed up from the demand level, and now has come back to test our demand level over here. So this is pretty clear. We're going to be looking for buying opportunities here on GBPCAD. So GBPCAD, we'll be looking for buying opportunities again over there, making sure that our stop loss is below our most recent level of demand zone over there. So boom, we're looking to buy here. Pretty simple. Right, next is CADJPY. So CADJPY, start up on the 4-hour time frame. Got a level over here, potential demand, and then demand number 2. Now if we look at supply, want to look for high volume spike with price pushed down with high volume, which is this level over here, December 4th. Then next potential level is this one over there, H4 time frame, M15. Right. So here got a high volume spike up here, but as we can see from this level, okay, this price was consolidating at this level, so this is a potential supply level there. Supply number 1, then supply number 2. We don't have any clues over here, so actually what I want to do is I want to go back to the 4-hour time frame. Then I want to look for the next level of supply, potential supply, which is, could be December 1st or again December 1st. So back to the M15 time frame. Okay, so we don't have a clear level here, December 4th, so we're going to delete this one. I'm going to go to December 1st, which we have a clear high volume spike where price pushed down with high volume, so that will be our next supply level to look at. So this one over there and this one over here. So we've got December 1st here and this candle over there. Cool. Now demand level. So January 4th. Okay, actually before we get there, you can actually see we did which supply level is this one? The price is broken through. So this level over here from December 5th, as we can see, price did break this level already. So I'm going to delete this one. So delete, and we'll just focus on our levels from December 1st. Right, so demand level, potential demand level. We have high volume spike over here where price pushed up with high volumes. That is a potential demand level. And then our next level over here, down here, over here, and over there. Okay, so this level here, then we've got this level here. Okay, and then this level over here. The price pushed up with high volume. Okay, so that is our demand over there. Wait, and then this one over here. Okay, so that is the demand over here. January 4th, demand number 1, then 2 over here, demand level number 3, and demand level number 4. So obviously what we have over here is we've got price has pushed off of our demand level. Okay, so the next potential level price will go test is potentially the supply level here, but because price is in no man's land over here, anything could happen before the news. So we could have a potential over here where price can push down to test our demand level before it goes and test the supply level. So with this one, we just have to wait and see for more solid clue as to where price is potentially going to go. So we'll wait for this one and see, will price come down, test the demand level, or price go up and test the supply level. Whichever one happens first before the news. Obviously, if it comes to the supply level first, we'll look to sell, and then if it comes to the demand level here, we'll look to buy. Okay, there we go. That's CADJPY. Next will be AUDCAD. So for our time frame, identify potential supply and demand level clues. Got potential supply over here, another potential supply over here. And now demand will be potential demand will be this level down here, and then potentially this level down here, December 12th. Okay, M15, starting with our demand level over there. Okay, first level here, got price pushing up with high volume off this level here, another one over here, and another one over here. But we won't focus on these two since we can see price has clearly broken those levels. So we'll just focus on this one down here. And actually we have another high volume spike over here where price pushed up with high volume. So that will actually be the next level of supply that we'll look at. Okay, so there we go, demand number 1, then demand number 2 over here, December 13. Okay, now we did have another potential level over here. This is December 12th, where we have another high volume spike here, where price actually consolidated at this level before pushing up. Okay, but then obviously, as we can see, price did come and test this level with high volume. So this is another demand level over there that we're going to focus on. This is December 12th level, 1530 candle. Okay, so demand sorted. Supply, January 4th, high volume spike here. Okay, not really clear from this level here. Yeah, not really clear at all. This one could be a potential supply level, 1530 candle. So this could be a potential supply level clue. Other than that, if we go to January 3rd, got a high volume spike over here. Another high volume spike here, but price actually pushed up from this level. So definitely not. So yeah, not convinced with that one. Then we actually have a look here. The next potential supply is actually here, December 2nd. We've got 2 high volume spikes here where price pushed down with high volume from these levels. So these are the supply levels to focus on. Okay, this one over there and this one over here, supply zone over there, December 2nd. So this one pretty clear. We've got price pushing down from this supply level clue, currently testing our demand level. So obviously we want to be looking for buying opportunities over here. So we'll be looking to buy here. Okay, we've got our most recent factor low that we can use as a potential supply level clue, but again making sure that our stop loss is below our demand level, and then obviously wait closer for time before the news, and then boom, we're simply going to look to buy over here. Okay, that is Aussie CAD. Right, next is going to be NZDCAD. So NZDCAD, starting on the 4-hour time frame, we've got a potential level over here. Could be a supply level, not sure. So next potential supply level will be this one over here. Actually, no. This could be a potential demand level. So we'll just have to identify another potential supply. Should probably be this one over here, December 29th, with price pushed down with high volume. And then demand, next potential demand level besides the ones we've already identified is this level over here, December 15th. Okay, that's 4-hour time frame, M15. Okay, Okay, we've got a high volume spike over here, and another spike over here. Where price did push down from this level, so this isn't a clear demand level there. So if we go back to the 4-hour, you need to look for the next potential demand level, which is actually all the way down here. Yeah, this is the level we need to focus on. Okay, this is November 28th. So back to the 15-minute time frame. We go to November 28th. Right. What? Okay. So what we have here is got a high volume spike over here where price pushed up with high volume, as well as one over here and one over here. So okay, so that's the first level over there, and then the second level down here. This level over here, as we can see, obviously price has broken that level. I'll actually draw it in and I'll explain just now. Okay, so if we can just go here and have a look. So this is level price has broken already. These two levels over here, price have already broken. As you can see, price did come break those levels already. So these two levels again, I'm going to delete these ones since price broke these levels. The most recent one obviously will be this level over here from November 28th. Then I am seeing something over here, pretty much the same level. I mean, November 24th, we've got a high volume spike over here, and another high volume spike over there. So these are another clues that we can look at. November 24th. Okay. Perfect. Now looking at supply. January 4th, we have high volume spike here where price has been consolidating at this level, so it's actually not really clear what's happening there. So we'll hang 10 on this one. Then we look at supply number 2 here, price pushed up, so that's actually demand level. Yeah, so actually this level over here, high volume spike where price pushed up with high volume, is actually a demand level clue. Got another level here where price pushed up again, consolidating at this level. So yeah, let's look for another supply level. Yeah, we do have another supply level there. So going back to over here, December 29. December 29, we've got a level over here. But as we can see, price actually pushed up from this level, so this is not a supply level over there. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, the next potential supply Okay, we're going to have a look here at December 6th, where price pushed down with high volume. So let's do this. Let's go to December 6th. Okay, so December 6th, got this high volume spike over here where price pushed down with high volume. The December 7th, actually, not December 6th. So there we go. This is a supply level that we want to look at. Okay. So as you can see, price been testing this level over here. If we go here, let's see, did price test this level with high volume? So here we can see here price did test this level with the high volume spike over here. So this is another confirmation of this supply level at the exact same level. So that was December 14th. Price came back, tested this level. Okay, and then tested the level again December 29th. Okay, tested the level, came back down. So that is our next level of supply. The other levels here, yeah, so so basically got a demand zone over here, demand number 1, 2, and 3 that price is currently testing at the moment. So demand 1 and 2 that price is currently testing at the moment. Okay, so obviously we'll be looking to buy here since price is consolidating at that level. We'll be looking for buying opportunities at the zone. So again, since price is consolidating at this level, we'll use the top of the range, which is basically over here, top of the range and bottom of the range as our price levels to place our entry, buy stop level, and our stop loss. Obviously we want it outside the level of the consolidation over there, so below this demand zone over there. So that is going to be NZDCAD. Okay, 2 more before we end off the stream. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a chat. Okay, USDZAR 4-hour time frame. We have a potential supply level over there, and then a potential demand level down here, and then potential supply level all the way over here, December 13th, where price pushed down with high volume. So let's start with actually the most recent action over here. So starting with this January 4th, okay, we have a high volume spike here, as we can see, demand level clue where price pushed up with high volume. So this will actually be our first level that we'll focus on as our demand level number 1. Okay, then over here we've got a high volume spike over here where price pushed down with high volume, so that is a supply level. We do have another high volume spike over here where price did push down with high volume, which price, as you can see, has already broken. So this here will be the first level of supply that we'll focus on. Obviously we do have more demand level clues here, so put demand level number 2 there, and another demand level clue over there. Okay, yeah, Now supply, delete this one since we've got the two most recent levels of demand. Now focusing on the supply level, which is this level over here, December 13, where price pushed down with high volume. So we've got this level over here. Okay, and this level over here, where price pushed down with high volume. So okay, so that's supply number one. This is first supply, second supply. But there, we also do have a high volume spike over here, as you can see. Another clue, where price did push down with high volume from this level. So it's like a supply zone that we have over here, December 13. Okay, so right, so got price currently testing our supply level over here. Okay, currently testing the level. What I would wait for over here, let's do this. Okay, is to see if price actually consolidates at this level. Okay, if not, and price continues to push up and breaks this level, okay, then not very clear for me. The next potential level I'd wait for actually is for price to come up and test the supply level all the way up here. So the setup I'll be waiting for on USDZAR is actually if price continues to consolidate at this level, then obviously we're looking to buy, to sell. But other than that, yeah, that's the only clear setup we have over here. Okay, so that's USDZAR. Next and final one we'll look at is gold. So gold, starting on the 4-hour time frame, we have a potential level over here, which is a potential demand level, and a potential supply over there. And the next level of demand, yeah, is actually could be this one over here, or this one over here. Okay, so we'll actually start with these two. December 21st, so M15. M15, December 21st. Okay, so got a high volume spike over here where price pushed up with high volume. 1530 candle. Then another level over there where price pushed up with high volume. And this one over there. So it's like more of a zone that we have. So yeah, this one and this one pretty much at the same level. So this is our demand zone that we have over here on December 21st. Okay, now supply. Hold on. So as we can see, the first two levels over here, price has broken through already. So these two at the top here, price broke through, so delete this one, delete this one. This one's no longer relevant. Then the only one we'll focus on is the 1530 candle on December 21st. Okay, which price, as you can see, did come down here and test with high volume. So boom, test at the demand level with high volume. So this is going to be our next level of demand, and came back again down here, test the level with high volume, as you can see. So this is going to be our zone that we'll focus on. Okay, for demand, that is the demand. Secondly, we'll look for any potential clues here on the 4th of Jan. So yeah, got a level over here, price pretty much consolidating in the zone here, so nothing solid, nothing here. I mean, like I said, potential demand here. Yeah, these levels aren't really clear. So next we'll look for supply. So here, supply, the price pushed down with high volume is going to be this level over here, January 2nd, with price pushed down over here and over there, and then another high volume spike over here with price pushed down with high volume. So zoom in a bit there, this one over there, this one over there, and this one over here. Okay, so pretty clear what's happening here on gold. We have price, okay, came to test this demand level over here on January 3rd. So price pushed up off this level, okay, pushed up from the level, has come back down. So obviously the setup we want to look for is for price to come back down a bit, test our demand level again. As you can see, price is kind of pushing a little down over here, even though it is consolidating. We can see potential clue here where the smart money is inducing potential sellers over there, so retail selling. So we want to be waiting over here for price to come and test the demand level again, and boom, we'll be looking to buy at this level. So that is gold, looking for buying opportunities. Okay, and that's the last currency pair of today's setup. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, feel free to ask. So again, guys, got high impact news, NFP happening later on this afternoon. We've identified our supply and demand levels on our USD pairs as well as our CAD pairs, identifying our supply and demand levels. These are the levels we're going to be focusing on, obviously. And yeah, make sure, guys, you trade like smart traders, you follow the smart money. Okay, this one is for you. Yep, this is the gold setup. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, perfect. Since there aren't any questions here, that's going to be it for today. Remember, guys, to trade like smart traders and follow the smart money. I'm out.
Away millionaire, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.